Hey, what's up guys? Soldier knows best there. So Beats by Dr. Dre has just announced the new Powerbeats, and these are going to be replacing the Powerbeats 3s, and these are going to be wireless earphones that just have a cord connecting the left and the right earphone. So let's get these things unboxed, take a first look, and let me tell you all about them. Okay, so I have the new Powerbeats, and let's get inside of this plastic first. Okay, so now let's get inside of this box. I think it just slides up. Yes, it does, like so. We lift this off and boom, here we go, the new Powerbeats. So these come in 3 different colors. You have white, you have black, and also red, as you see here, to choose from. And so let me go ahead and place these to the side real quick and take a look at what else we get inside of the box. Oh, okay, you have a little carrying bag here to put your Powerbeats in. It has a drawstring right there to kind of keep everything nice and secure, and the Beats logo on the front. And some other things that you get inside of the box include some extra ear tips. You get 3 extra sets here, and they are the same colors as the headphones that you choose. And then you also get a Lightning to USB-A cable there, and it does say that this gives you fast fuel charging. So in 5 minutes of charging, you can get about an hour's worth of playtime. And then also inside of this little pocket here, we have a bunch of different documentation on how to use these. And then also you get a Beat sticker and all this other stuff. Of course, we don't need this. Okay, so here's a real quick side-by-side between the Powerbeats Pros and these new Powerbeats. So you can see that the design language is pretty similar to each other. You still have the adjustable ear hooks, so you can kind of bend them and move them around to really get a good fit around your ears. And then the button layout is the same. So on the left earphone, you will find the power button, and on the right one, you will find the volume controls, and also the Beats logo can actually be pressed in so you can do things like play and pause your music. Now, a couple of things that aren't on these new Powerbeats compared to the Powerbeats Pros are going to be the magnetic connectors at the bottom that will allow you to put it in like a magnetic charging case that comes with the Pros. You don't get a charging case with these new Powerbeats, so you just find the Lightning port at the bottom used for charging. And then also these don't have the sensors that will allow the earphones to be able to detect when you're putting them in your ears and also taking them out. And that takes away the ability for these to be able to pause and play the music depending on whether or not you have them in your ears. And as far as what's new on the inside of these, you will find the H1 chip from Apple, and this is going to allow for very easy and fast pairing with iOS devices. You also have Hey Siri support, so your hands-free assistant will be able to easily be activated just by talking to these. And these also support audio sharing, so with the iPhone, you can pair these alongside another pair of Beats or AirPods to one single iPhone, and now you could be listening to the same thing at the same time. But let's be real, the main difference between these and the Powerbeats Pros are going to be this cord right here. So some people may like this, some people may not like this. It's kind of just going to be your personal preference. But because this does have a cord, it allows you to easily hang it around your neck. So when you aren't using them, you can have them in one single place. And one of these were to come out, I mean, it's simply just going to kind of hang there. They're not going to fall to the ground or you may lose them. So I like these not only for doing things like working out or going for a run or something like that, but also too, when I'm laying down on the couch or laying in bed or on the plane, these are just less likely to come out of my ears and for me to have to do like a scavenger hunt in the morning. So these do have that benefit of having this cable, which I personally don't mind. But for me, the biggest improvement with these is going to be the battery life. So now you have up to 15 hours of battery life, and that's compared to 9 hours that you can get with the Powerbeats Pros. So you have a lot of battery there, but because you don't get that charging case with these, that means that you can get through an entire day of just you really using these. But if you are traveling or you're going somewhere like camping or doing something like that, you're not gonna have a way to charge these kind of just internally with the case. So you're gonna have to bring your extra portable power bank and then also a lightning cable. Now, as far as the sound quality, just like the design, these are similar to what the Powerbeats Pros sound like. And so you'll find that these aren't gonna sound better than the AirPods Pros. So if you're looking for the best audio quality coming from a pair of earphones from Apple, you wanna go with something like those. But these still do sound good. I mean, I think everything is, as far as the clarity and the loudness of them, all sound really good, especially at high levels. But one thing I really like is just because you can always kind of rely on the fit of these to really be very nice and tight and secure in your ears, and they're not really gonna be moving around and wobbling wobbling a lot. So you don't have to worry about sometimes with earphones, if you don't put them in correctly, you may not have as tight of a seal, so you may be having some of that sound leak out. These I find always kind of constantly just give me a tight seal in my ears. And that really helps keep the audio quality very stable, again, no matter what I'm doing, whether I'm working out or just walking around. And so look, bottom line, if you don't mind this cable right here, as far as how it feels or looks around your neck, you're gonna be saving a lot of money, $100 compared to the Powerbeats Pro. So if you're active, you're looking for a pair of earphones that are gonna be great for that, and also have very easy, fast connectivity with iOS devices, these are gonna be a great pickup for people. And so these officially go on sale on March the 18th for $149. So these are just my thoughts on the new Powerbeats. What do you think? Leave your comment down below and let me know. And also with everything going on in the world, I hope everybody is safe and also be prepared. But like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.